My humble pranams to most revered Matajis. Heartfelt namaskaram to my dear devotees. I am very grateful for the opportunity to speak today. Whatever I shall speak today is by the grace of my Guru and the Holy Trio. Our mother, Sri Sarada Devi, may look like any other ordinary woman, but the people in her inner circle understood her divine nature. The following two teachings of the mother are my favorite. I call them mantras. Mantra number 1. Whenever in distress, do not forget that you have a mother. In life, our mind may make us feel that we are alone and helpless. Via this mantra, our mother is reminding us that I am always with you and you are not alone. Mantra number 2. If you want peace of mind, do not find fault with others. This mantra may seem very simple, but it is an ocean in itself. It's very common to avoid admitting our own mistakes, but instead we would love to find faults with others. Let's be the best example for our children. Let's work on ourselves and inspire them to become their best. Let's be honest in answering the following question. Do I have the courage to admit my own faults? If yes, excellent. If no, what next? An analogy helps us in understanding ourselves better. The Katha Upanishad gives us the analogy of the chariot to understand the body-mind complex. The analogy is as follows. The chariot represents the body, the horses represents the sense organs, the reins that controls the horses represents the mind, and the owner of the chariot is the consciousness, self, or the energy. As a sadhaka, we need to focus on the following or train the following: the mind, the senses, and the buddhi. Another simple example or reference is given in the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 3, shloka number 42. We need to train our mind and buddhi to fulfill our roles and responsibilities successfully. For example, Sri Sarada Devi, Radhu used to be very rude towards Sri Sarada Devi. It's very easy, sometimes we have to be compassionate and be kind towards a person who hurt us. This is demonstrated by Sri Sarada Devi by nursing or caring for Radhu while she was ill. Let's try to understand the mind briefly. We have to understand that the mind and body are interconnected. Kindly remember the following formula. Unnecessary negative thinking is equals to unnecessary health problems. Do you wonder why I should visit Sri Sarada Mat? I have some interesting reasons to share with you. The first reason being, it's a very high vibrational place that enhances our inner strength. The second reason being, it's a blessing for us to be in the presence of most revered Matajis, because this weakens the bad tendencies of our mind. It is the best place to do our sadhana and seva to obtain the grace of our Guru. Let's recollect mantra number 2. The Holy Mother said, if you want peace of mind, do not find fault with others. What can be the potential consequences of finding fault with everything? Let's focus on two important aspects. Firstly, we are training the mind to be negative. And second, eventually the mind will start telling you or giving you negative affirmations. Let's try to understand this via a simple example. Generally, all mothers are expert in cooking. One day, a mistake resulted in some extra salt being added to the chutney. Let's say your child comes to you and says, Ma, there was some extra salt in the chutney today. So, we all know that we perceive the world around us using the mind. The mind is capable of giving us negative affirmations as follows. See, look at what you have done. You have added some extra salt to the chutney. And you can never be an expert cook. An expert cook will never make this silly of a mistake. The above reasoning of the mind may seem real or true or even logical. We all know that it's not. Let's say you are feeling bad and you are repenting and your mother observes it. She comes to you and says, it's okay beta, I have been cooking for around 4 decades. Even I make mistakes sometimes. The most important thing is to be careful the next time. Let's ask ourselves one question. Is it so easy for us to see the reality now? Not so easy. We may not even accept it. Why so? Because we have trained our mind to focus on the negative aspect of this situation. So when can we observe and understand all of this? When our mind is calm and composed. We have experienced the same during our sadhana period. Research suggests that japa empowers us in the following way. It relaxes our brain, it enhances our mood, it enables us to make the right decision at the right time, it improves the power of focus and memory, it cleanses the harmful patterns of the unconscious mind. The firing of the limbic brain is the root cause of unnecessary fear. Practices that reduce the firing of the limbic brain include Om chanting, Brahmari pranayama, meditation, etc. We need to have a powerful discipline and consistency to get the results. So how do we train our buddhi? We have to develop the habit of reading scriptures, especially the Gospel of Holy Mother. The Gospel of the Holy Mother is like a living guru. You will find solution to almost anything. The Holy Mother's teachings are simple and easy to understand. May Sri Sarada Devi bless, guide and protect us in the journey of life. Thank you. Joy Ma.